Before removing the key that was just cut, let's review the procedure for decoding edge-cut keys. The first step is selecting the proper card. Since we just cut this key, we will use the same card. Once the card is open, select Decoding. The screen will display the card and SN to decode the key, and also show the clamp, jaw position, and stop position. Once the key is loaded properly, select Start to begin the decoding process. The optical reader is used to decode edge-cut keys. Once decoded, the tablet displays the cuts and the indirect code for the decoded key. If the code is not displayed, either the key did not decode properly or the specific indirect code read is not in the database. When decoding a key, Futura will determine if the key is worn. If it detects wear, it will cut the duplicate to original equipment manufacturer's OEM specifications. To view the decoded measurements and the measurements read on the key, select Decoded Data from the bottom of the screen. Then select Cut to cut the key using the values decoded.